everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video I will be sharing with you guys my earrings collection. Most of the earrings that I have bought are from the local market and not online. I usually find local market more reasonable and affordable when it comes to jewelry collection. So all of these are bought from Sarojini Nagar, Lajpat Nagar, Kamla Nagar, and Janpat. So these four markets I have explored very much when I used to live in Delhi. So and all of them, most of them I actually bought from there. Also in this video I will be showing you how you can pair them up when you wear an outfit. So we can categorize most of our outfits into traditional, western and Indo-western. Some of the jewelry pieces goes with the western outfits, while some goes with traditional and others goes with Indo-western outfits. So let's know how you can pair them up and how you can wear them to make your look more elegant and classy. Let's start with this video. So let's start with the western part. How you can which type of earrings usually goes with the western one, and I will be showing you what type of earrings I have. So the most basic one that goes with the western wears and I actually love them a lot are loops. Loops are a great way to enhance your overall look when you wear a western outfit. More of a casual outfit if you do. Even if you wear a t-shirt, loops goes with them. If you wear a top, loops goes well with them. So these are evergreen and there are multiple type of loops available in the market. So you can buy different types and wear them whenever you wear a western outfit. Second one are these little party wear and gorgeous stone earrings. These one goes well with western outfits and even with traditional as well. You can wear them, but these look so chic when you wear them with an western outfit in any kind of party that you go. So must buy a stone earrings. If you buy a stone earrings that are long, that will go I think with traditional outfit or Indo-western. But the short one goes well with western outfits. Second types are these one. These are long and metal earrings. I actually love them a lot and I used to wear them because these are very lightweight and these look so elegant when I wear them. Very nice earrings. I bought them from Connaught Place and very reasonable. I guess I think I bought them for 90 rupees or 100 rupees I guess. And these are very durable. I have been wearing them for a long time now and I really love them. So try metal earrings and these goes with western outfits. Another pair that I have is this one. Even though they are hanging, but these look good when you wear a western outfit because of their texture. The texture is a little smooth and a little elegant when it comes to the look of these earrings. So I think these goes best when you wear a beautiful top and when you go and hang out with your friends or you go to a small gathering. So try these kind of earrings which have a little glossy look with your western wear. Now these earrings, these are also a good pair to pair them up with your western outfit. However, you can wear them with your Indo-western outfits as well. So these goes well with both the kinds, but I think not very much for traditional outfit. Does not look so good if you wear them with any traditional outfit. Another pair that I have is this one. These I think these are the ones that are antique in look, oxidized kind of earrings, and but goes well with any kind of western outfit or traditional or Indo-western. I wear them. I have actually tried these earrings with all the types of outfits that I have wore, and these actually look so good on me. And these statement earrings changes your look totally. So do try these type of earrings if you find them, uh, oxidized one, and make sure to look good every time you wear them. Now let's come to the traditional part. Some of the kind of the long hangings one like these feather earrings. I have two types of them. Like this one is a layered one, and another one is this pair. Both these pairs look so good when I wear them with a traditional outfit, with any kurta or any kind of ethnic outfit that I have. And these are also goes well with your Indo-Western outfit. I have wear them in during my college time and with a Indo-Western outfit on a fresher, and they looked so pretty. Everyone complimented the pairing that I made. And so I think you can pair these kind feather earrings and long earrings with your Indo-Western and traditional outfit. Another, a similar kind of but a little different one, these earrings. These goes well with any kind of traditional outfit. Make sure to try them. These look so beautiful and these are so easy to carry. I actually prefer earrings that do not are not painful for me to wear, because if you wear such kind of earrings, you might be able to wear them for 1 hour or 2 hour. After that, your ear starts to pain and it becomes very difficult to actually bear the weight. And when you start getting irritated with it, you won't be comfortable with your overall look, and people will notice that. So make sure to wear such kind of jewelry that you can carry well for a long time. If you are wearing any kind of earrings for a long time, make sure to go with a lightweight one and not heavy one. You can wear the heavy earring when you are going for a small outing or for a small period of time. Another pair that I bought, and this time I bought this one from Sarojini, and these are very good for any kind of traditional outfit. However, these are not for Indo-Western, these are purely for traditional look. So these kind of earrings, if you find with shells hanging or any mirrors that are hanging, I have the mirror one as well. These looks good more on traditional outfit than on any other pair. However, you can try them with an Indo-Western one, but these are more good for traditional outfits. This one, these kind of earrings goes well with traditional outfit. Make sure that you wear such kind of hangings one with any kind of traditional outfits that you wear, and not any kind of Western or Indo-Western. Similar kind but a different one again. These I have these, and these are really cheap. I guess I got them for 20 or 30 bucks from Sarojini, and these are a little heavy for me but not so heavy, so I can wear them. I used to wear them during my college time with a maxi dress or a kurta. These look so good on them, so goes well with traditional outfit. Other pairs that you can wear with traditional outfits and goes well with them are these one. These are the any kind of colorful earrings that you find in the market goes well with your traditional outfits. Any kind of this, like that has a what should I say? Any kind of earrings that has a Indian touch or a regional touch goes well with Indian outfits. So you can tell them that these you won't find these kind of pairs anywhere in the world except India. So most of these kind of pairs goes well with the Indian outfits or the traditional outfits that you have. So make sure to pair them up with that one only and not any other kind of outfit. Let's come to some of my favorite party wear earrings. As we have categorized our jewelry collection into Western, Indo-Western, and traditional, there are some type of earrings that goes with party wear earrings, and you can. Most of them are glittery in look that gives you a very different and elegant look when you wear them. Do try them when you go out in a party or to a club. You can pair them well with that kind of outfits. Some glittery ones that I have bought are these. Some glittery kind of earrings that I am talking about are like this. These are long and have stones on them, some glittery look they give, and these goes well when you wear any kind of Western outfit for a party or a traditional outfit for a party. It goes well both with both of them. The color is so good. I haven't paired them yet, but I will soon. do that. Another pair that I like for a party wear kind of earrings are these one. These have stones and looks very good when you wear them with a lehenga or with any kind of party wear outfit that you wear. Another long pair, this is a heavy one. So as you go for a party for like not more than for 1 to 2 hours, so these are easily wearable and looks good on you, gives you a very chic and elegant look. I bought them from Kamla Nagar and I really love the pair. The last one, a little small one which I actually tried, and here I these have a little, these pair have lost a little shine, but I still love them and I wear them with any kind of traditional outfit that I want to wear to a party. Looks so good and easily wearable, not at all heavy, very lightweight, and looks so good on me. So try any kind of earrings that have stones or glitters or beads in it for your party wear clothes. Hope my idea of styling and my sense of styling will help you in pairing your earrings with your outfit and make you look so good and elegant. So try them out, try the tricks that I've shared with you, and let me know if it is helpful. Apart from that, do like this video, share your comments in the comment section. I would love to read your comments and subscribe to my channel so that we can meet other time with another content, and uh, that's it. So let's meet other time. Till then, bye bye. Stay safe, stay home, stay happy. Bye guys. Bye.